consultants, and today I'm going to take you through a new feature in simPRO that's just been upgraded. It's the BI reporting tool. So we start by going to utilities and BI reporting, which takes you to this screen. And the first upgrade is when you actually ask a question, it's much faster. The database takes almost no time at all to load. We also have this custom question option, which we didn't before, and anyone who is in here regularly will know that this looks a bit different as well. The icons are a little bit different. So the custom question option allows us to join tables together, which makes it nice and simple to do very complicated and very important reports that we probably wouldn't be able to get before. So, for example, let's say that I wanted to get how much time was spent on different sites for the last 3 months. So I would go to the schedules, which shows us all the time that's been spent, put on timesheets, but I don't actually have in here anything to do with the site details. So what I want though is I want to be able to get a list of hours per site for a date range. So the first thing we need to do is untick what we don't want. This will make our report nice and simple. The next thing we probably want to do is want to add a filter so that we don't get everything. We just want the last 90 days. So let's say the date is, I could do 3 months, but let's say it was the previous 90 days, nice and simple. And we also only want to see what's on a job. So I'm going to say where the job ID is not empty. That's just a nice, easy way. Is not empty. Okay. So if we get those details, we'll just get a list of time spent, and that's it. It's just a list of time. There's no other details really. Anything we could have ticked would just be date or employee. So what we want to do, we want to go back into the editor and we actually want to join another table because we want job information. So we need to add the job table to the schedules list. And this is the bit that was never able to be done before. So if we click to connect to jobs, it has automatically worked out that the job ID is a good connector, and it is. Sometimes you might want to connect on something else like some other ID, the date range or something like that. But job ID is perfect for us. And now we want to select the site. So we're going to untick everything else and scroll down to site. That will give us a list of sites next to the hours, which works beautifully. But we actually want to total those together. So what we're going to do is we're going to summarize that so that it groups by site and gives us a total number of hours per site. My computer's a little bit slow while we're recording. It's not actually BI reporting that's slow, it's my computer. So we should see that summarize coming up any second. And now we can search for site, and that's what we're going to group by. And once we find the site, that has now, per site, given us a list of how many hours have been spent. And if you like, we can actually sort it lowest to highest, highest to lowest, so that we can see where time is not being spent or where time is being spent. Thank you for watching today. This has just been a quick sneak peek at a new feature in simPRO. If you need any help with BI reporting or anything else in simPRO, please click the link below, give us a call, fill out our contact form, and we'll get back to you and we'll set up a time where we can help you. Thanks again. See you soon.